Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to use the zoom feature in your DJI Action 2 camera. So let's get started. The camera, in order to use the zoom feature, you can use the zoom feature either with the second screen or with the original screen, and the way you do it is you see that 1.0x, you slide your hand upwards like that, and then you just slide the dial. Slide the dial back and forth, and you will get zoom in and zoom out all the way to 1x, and it goes all the way to 4.0x. Obviously that's not optical zoom, keep that in mind, but at least it gives you an idea. It gives you a better perspective of the object you want to focus on. In this case, let's see, if you want to get a selfie and you want to just get your face only without any other things, you could do that. Or if you want to actually get a selfie with a wide angle, then you simply do this and you will get a very wide angle. It's recording. Oops, I accidentally played. I tapped the play. So yeah, that's how you get a very wide angle. So that is how you use the zoom in and zoom out feature. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.